Okay, so let's start the tuning work. As I mentioned, we have two modes. The first one is the streaming mode, and here is the manual mode. We can start from the manual mode. Okay, so when you click the extract matrix, okay, we will extract out the coupling matrix error informations here. So all the bars represent either the frequency information or the coupling informations. On the head of each bars, user can see the tuning informations like the in or out. So which means you need screw in or screw out. We have two different formats, coupling bandwidth and absolute coupling error informations. So here we use a coupling bandwidth convert to the frequency informations. Okay, and also we can freeze on. Freeze on, that means we'll record the previous result. So user can easily cross comparing your current result versus your previous result. Okay, so user can tune these errors starting from the biggest errors. For example, I just tuned M33 or M99. Okay, so M33 it shows just in. Okay. M99 still in. Okay, and after you done something, they just click the extract matrix. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's improved. Okay, another thing they need to mention is user can define a capture range from to. So the best result, in order to get the best result, so user need to capture the range close to the band edge. So for example, I defined here is maybe 2.95 gigahertz to 4.45 and set it. If you leave it at zeros, so our system can detect the best range by ourselves. Okay, so we can continue on this one, M77 and M99. So M77 still screw in and M99 screw in. Okay, after that one, just click the extract matrix. Okay, it's getting better. You can see the error is just dropping. And another thing worth to mention is user can focus on the text colors. As long as the color changes green, that means your tuning in progresses. If it changes red, that means your current one, the current error is higher than the previous one. Okay. Okay. So yeah, and then probably the next step we will go to the streaming mode.